Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. It's Crystal, and in today's video I will be showing you 3 ways on how to install your twist by yourself. So this video is for beginners. These are the things that I'll be using, as well as the shine and jam gel and this expression hair. So I'm using a little bit of gel to just stick my hair so that the braids can look good for you guys. Also, I'm just brushing through this gel to make sure that it's all over my hair. So the first step is to split your natural hair into 2 pieces, and then you're going to take a piece of your expression, not much if you're going to do like large or extra small, but for this size I'm just going for this amount of hair, and you're going to place that expression between the 2 pieces of your natural hair, and you're going to twine one side first. Make sure that you twine that good enough so that it's well firm, and then you're going to wrap it around the next side on your right, and you're going to do the same thing for the other side that is not already twined. Once everything is twined enough for you guys, you go ahead and start rope twisting your hair down. And make sure that when you're rope twisting your hair down that you rope it very firm, because you don't want your twist to be bulky. So the same way I start off with this twist, the same way you continue doing it going down. And if you guys do not catch on for the first step, I have 2 more steps that you guys can maybe try out. If you don't catch on with this first one, you can repeat this video over. So this is the result, guys. Very firm and neat. So the second step is using a rubber band for this method. So you're going to make sure that you secure the root first, but make sure that when you're rubber banding down your hair, you don't do it tight, because you're going to crochet your extension, which is underneath the rubber band. And once you're finished, this is a crochet stick. Make sure that the hook is open, and then you push it through underneath the rubber band. Then you're going to add your extension to the crochet stick, and then you're going to close it. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to draw one side through, one side of the extension, and then you're going to split your natural hair into 2 pieces, and then you're going to add each pieces to the extension. So this is basically like the first one, but this is like rubber band method. And then you're going to rope one side and then the next side, and then you're going to rope twist your hair going down. And make sure that when you're rope twisting for the firm, not to be bulky. If you don't catch on with this method, you can rewatch this part. Also, you might be interested in the last method that is coming up next. So for the third step, you will be braiding the extension to your natural hair and then twist down. But first, you're going to braid your natural hair 2 times and then start adding the braiding hair. So where do you add your extension? The last piece that I add into my hair goes between the 2 fingers that is holding down the 2 pieces on your right, and then I start braiding down, not too far, because remember, this is twist you're doing. And then once I'm finished braiding down to the amount that I want, I split the hair into 2 and start rope twisting each side and rope twist my hair down firm as possible. Remember guys, you have to rope twist your hair from the root come down firm, because you don't want your hair to be bulky. As I mentioned before, for the 2 steps, if you don't catch on, you can rewatch the entire video. That's all right for you guys to do. The more watch, the better is for you guys to, be professional at this. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys want more, just leave it in the comment section and I'll create a video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and see you guys next time. Bye.